Meaning of death throes.
Death throes.
Death throes.
Death throes.
Death throes. Death throes refers to the final convulsions and spasms that occur when a living being is dying. These are reflexive physical actions that can include gasping for breath, jerking movements, and muscle contractions. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe the last struggles of an institution, society, or culture that is in decline or about to collapse. In this sense, death throes represent a desperate attempt to resist change and maintain the status quo, even though it may be futile.